bro. Tired? Shit.
Alright.
I've been out for a minute, too.
We in the building. We here with Sha Money. Sha.
Tell me what you gonna get.
Part of the Fit Over 50 Club. Nah, we just working and talking. I mean, it's whatever you want to do, man.
All right, come on.
We working and we talking.
I'm getting ready to get something this week, bro. Okay?
Alright, get right.
Life.
Shoulder bangers.
Life.
How old y'all think this young man is? All y'all out there.
One more, baby.
Let's go.
What else you want? What else you want?
You feeling you good?
Yeah, what else?
Give me a workout routine, man. Whatever you do. You want to teach him something, teach him something.
I ain't teaching you shit.
You ain't teaching him shit?
No.
Alright.
They can watch you, though.
Alright.
I'm saying, we can, come on, we can get
Y'all get to watch.
I ain't gonna teach you shit. They teach them what's up.
Get to watch OG.
Fuck. Fuck them. Watch yourself. Oh,
Say just watch and learn.
watch and learn.
Alright now.
Pick up on this motherfucker.
Alright. Best way to get it.
Ah. So come on, we gonna get some right here.
Okay.
We gonna get it. We gonna get it. So I'm 51 years old.
Oh, 51?
Gonna be 51 next week.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Happy birthday, man. This will be up by then. Check them out. Is your phone?
Yeah, two more. One more.
Get right. There you go.
What else you want? That's it?
You got some push-ups for us, man? Hey, I can see he ain't no slacker. He chopped the hell up. Get right.
That's it?
Alright, man. Shot. So, real quick, man. Like, how your diet and everything? People gonna want to know, man. How you 51 and you cut like that? What you do?
Well, I really just eat what I want to eat, bro. Hard work and determination, baby.
Well, that's what you do.
It don't matter what you eat. It just matter how you work.
So you do a lot of cardio, right?
A lot of running, yes.
Yeah, man. So
A
you
lot of running, bro.
still keeping up on your boxing training?
I'm a fighter for life, baby.
Oh, for life?
It's my blood.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about, man.
Fighter for life.
Alright. Any health tips you want to drop on anybody? Nothing?
Nah, eat, just eat, bro.
Eat?
It's called hard work, man.
Hard work.
Hard work, bro. Control everything.
Alright.
Simple.
Alright. So,
It is.
peace, man. Appreciate the work.
Thank you,
I
baby.
mean, much love.
It is all the time.
Sha Money.
Good job.
Alright.